So Lex, I'm really curious about the watch now.
I will show it to you.
Oh.
This is the latest Fratello Minase collaboration. It is an M3 exclusive edition with a spectacular green dial and a little orange tip of the central seconds hand. You might have seen the other M3 we did in 2022, the very Peri. It was very purple. Now we have a green version. The gorgeous green dial is hand painted. It was never available in an M3 case, and now it is. The M3 is actually a Japan domestic market only, which makes it very desirable. Well, we have made this JDM case available for the rest of the world. And we have served up something that is quite tasty, if I say so myself. But we don't have a name yet. Minase is a Japanese watch manufacturer that is based in the Akita prefecture, and it produces less than 500 timepieces a year. The company was founded in 2005. Their workforce became experts in fine craftsmanship that results in very highly qualitative watches that embody the values, traditions, and typical crafts of Japan. The finishing and quality is excellent. You have a tonneau case that has shapes that hint to the 1970s but are not overly retro. Also, the case features Minase's signature Salas polishing, and that looks very bright and very, very neat and straight. It results in an extremely crisp, clean, and also a very wearable case that ensures great comfort on almost any wrist. The applied hour markers on the dial are designed to match the hands, but they're also inspired by the ones on the Divido. The bright orange tip of the central seconds hand is a reference to the Dutch origins of Fratello. You get a perfectly clear view of the dial, hands and hour markers through the sapphire glass with an anti-reflective coating. Beating inside the case of the M3 is a automatic Sellita SW200. It's hidden behind a closed and engraved case back. What is good to know is that this automatic movement was modified by Minase. They removed the date, but they also eliminated the dreaded ghost date position on the crown. The strap is actually a Fratello signature strap. It is an olive color. It tapers from a very standard 20 millimeters to a very elegant 16 millimeters at the Minase steel pin buckle. We need to find the right nickname for this rich green hand-painted dial that shimmers so mysteriously. We're gonna find some experts and help find the right name for this beautifully crafted new Minase. I am joined by Chris Schiermeijer.
Hi Lex.
Could you tell us a little bit about the place we are now?
Yeah, we're in Japan Museum Sieboldhuis in Leiden, in the Netherlands. This is a museum totally devoted to Japanese art.
So we come to the right place.
Yes. It's also the house of Philipp Franz von Siebold. He was a German and he lived in the 19th century, and all the objects you see on the ground floor of our museum, Siebold collected in Japan in the 19th century and brought to the Netherlands. And the whole Siebold collection is 25,000 objects.
Oh my God.
Yes.
I'm quite sure that we can find something in the collection that actually may match this watch. Can you have a look at it?
Yes, it's so beautiful and so delicate. The word for the color green is aoi, but it also means blue. So
that's very confusing.
It's confusing. It was more about the concept of color. Purple, gray, blue, green, it's all aoi.
Can you show us the object you've just been talking about?
Yes, it's just behind us. It's a 19th century scroll, and what's so special, it's made by a lady painter. The painting is very delicate, very beautifully done, but you can see here the pine trees on her outer kimono.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a different shade of green, but green is so diverse.
Yeah, true.
So you see different shades of aoi, blue, greenish.
Maybe we can name it after the beautiful lady as well. Thanks to Chris of the Japan Museum Siebold House, I learned a lot about the color green, the meaning of the color green, and even the name of the color green. I'm pretty sure we're pretty close to finding the right name. Let's get something to eat now and make a final decision. So it's time for sushi, and what place better to go to than Dozo in The Hague, best sushi in town. Let's order.
Kijk eens mee.
I'm having a eureka moment. You have the Nori green on the dial. The salmon is the tip of the second hand. We have found our name. This is the Minase Fratello M-3 Nori. The price of the new Minase Fratello collaboration is €2,470 before taxes. And it's not a limited edition, but an exclusive edition. And that means it will be made to order. That also means we have an order window. The ordering process will open on September 27 at 4 p.m. Central European Summertime, and it closes exactly a week later on October 4th, 4 p.m. Central European Summertime again. Minase will produce the number of watches that were ordered. So get your name in there and you will get a watch about 3 to 4 months after the window closes. Get your Nori now. I will get my Nori now, if you don't mind. Itadakimasu.